Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting developments in the drone world. Yes, the DJI Mini 5 Pro has surfaced earlier than anyone expected. This leak brings thrilling insights into what could be DJI's most powerful ultralight drone yet. And if you're a drone enthusiast, content creator, or aerial cinematography fan, you're going to want to stick around for every detail. So, what's all the hype about? The DJI Mini 5 Pro recently appeared in US regulatory filings, indicating that its lightweight under 250G frame may now house a much larger battery than its predecessor, the Mini 4 Pro. We're talking about a potential 4,680 mAh powerhouse, which is a significant leap from the previous generation. This means longer flight times, improved endurance, and more creative flexibility for drone pilots. The leaks also hint at a revamped camera system. Rumors suggest that this drone could boast a 1-inch image sensor. That's a huge win for photographers and videographers craving higher dynamic range, richer detail, and better low-light performance. This places the Mini 5 Pro in the same league as DJI's higher-end drones, but in an impressively compact package. In terms of hardware design, it looks like DJI is pushing the envelope. Expect more efficient, vented motors. These could enhance aerodynamics, improve cooling performance, and contribute to smoother, more stable flights, even in tough conditions. One of the standout features is the likely integration of front-facing LiDAR sensors, adding another layer of obstacle avoidance and precision navigation to the mix. That's a first for a drone this size, but there's more. The regulatory documentation also mentions support for OcuSync 04 Plus, DJI's next-gen video transmission technology. This could mean ultra-clear live feeds over extended ranges, ideal for professional-grade drone videography. Another big talking point is charging speed. Leaks indicate a jump to 65W fast charging, which could drastically reduce downtime between flights. Imagine getting your drone back in the air faster than ever before, perfect for creators on the move. As for the price, multiple sources suggest the Mini 5 Pro could start at around $899. Compared to the Mini 4 Pro's launch price of $750, that's a modest increase when you consider everything potentially packed into this drone. Next-gen sensors, expanded battery life, LiDAR tech, enhanced video feed systems, and more. All in a device that still stays within that magical sub-250G range, meaning fewer restrictions and no FAA registration required in many regions. Originally, many speculated that DJI would unveil the Mini 5 Pro in September, potentially alongside a new Osmo Action 5 Pro, but the early FCC filing has changed everything. For those unfamiliar, these types of filings usually precede a product launch by just a few weeks. So now, all signs are pointing to a much earlier release date. In summary, the DJI Mini 5 Pro looks set to revolutionize compact drones once again. With cutting-edge battery improvements, top-tier camera upgrades, new smart sensors, and advanced transmission protocols, this could be the best mini drone DJI has ever built. Stay tuned, because once DJI makes this official, we'll have all the details here. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful or exciting, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more drone tech news, and share your thoughts in the comments. Are you planning to upgrade to the Mini 5 Pro? Until next time, this is Technology in the Future, bringing you the future of technology today.